Another Sunday cook. Today we're gonna cook beef pares. Stay with me. Just boil this. And use scum, so we throw away the water. Put garlic, onions, ginger, sauce. Let's add the beef. Add star anise and cinnamon, bell pepper, laurel, 5 spices, soy sauce, of sugar, brown sugar, let's add water. Let's also add some vinegar. We'll cook our sinangag. Start with garlic. Add the rice. Some whisking sauce. Add some salt. And add ng unsalted butter. Let's add some toasted garlic. Pares reveal. Wow! Sarap! Put some garlic, some spring onions. And now for the taste test. Ella! How is it? Speechless? Good, good. Ah, yeah. Eat na!